Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out the best camcorder in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I have included options at several price points, so no matter your budget, we will have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. At number 1. Kicteck 604S Camcorder. The LCD screen on this camcorder offers a 270-degree rotation, and other excellent features on the device include an anti-shake feature, self-timer, webcam, beauty, function, and more. The pause function allows users to pause a specific recording and continue recording on the same file later. The camcorder supports SD cards from 4GB up to 128GB, but users need to purchase one on their own. It comes with two 1500 mAh batteries, which last up to 90 minutes, and there is a feature that lets users record while charging the device. The lightweight quality of the camcorder makes it easy to carry around. At number 2. S&P 4K Camcorder. Get the best and most realistic video content with the 4K video quality on this 48MP camcorder. A lens hood on the camcorder helps block out excess light for better contrast and the overall color of the images and videos. The handheld image stabilizer also improves the device performance, making it suitable for tasks such as vlogging. There is a time-lapse function that creates short clips from hours of filming. A pause function is also available on this device. It has Wi-Fi connectivity and HDMI output for easy connection to the internet and other devices. What can you say about our first two products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comment section and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when I upload a new video. Now, let's continue.